Let us look at the problems of vision and their remedies. Some people cannot see the objects clearly due to loss of power of accommodation of eye. The problems of vision are related to various reasons like weakening of ciliary muscles, change in size of eyeball, irregularities on the surface of cornea, formation of membrane over the eye lens, etc. Because of refractive defects of eye, the vision becomes blurred. There are three common refractive defects of vision. Let us study about them. Myopia or nearsightedness. It is the defect in which a human eye can see nearby objects distinctly but is unable to see distant objects clearly. In myopia, the image of distant object is formed in front of retina. There are two possible reasons of myopia. A. Ciliary muscles do not relax sufficiently, converging power of eye lens becomes high. B. The distance between eye lens and retina increases as eyeball is lengthened or lens is curved. A suitable concave lens can correct this defect. This lens causes light rays to diverge before they strike the lens of the eye. The power of concave lens is so chosen that it creates required divergence, and hence after the converging action of eye lens, the image is formed on the retina. The focal length of concave lens is negative, so the power of spectacles for myopic eye is negative. Depending on the degree of defect, the power of concave lens is different for different eyes. Hypermetropia or long-sightedness. It is the defect in which human eye can see distant objects distinctly but is unable to see nearby objects clearly. The image of near object falls behind the retina. Two possible reactions of hypermetropia are A. Weak action of ciliary muscles cause low converging power of eye lens. B. The distance between eye lens and retina decreases on account of either shortening of eyeball or flattening of lens. In this case, focal length of the eye lens is too long. This defect is corrected by using convex lens. The rays coming from nearby objects are first converged by convex lens and then converged by eye lens to retina. Depending upon the degree of defect in the eye, power of convex lens is different for different eye. As the focal length of convex lens is positive, the power of spectacles for hypermetropic eye is positive. Presbyopia. It is also called as old age hypermetropia. The power of accommodation of eye usually decreases with aging. The near point of aged people recedes and they find it difficult to see nearby objects comfortably and clearly without spectacles. As ciliary muscles lose the capacity to change the focal length of eye lens, aged people experience eye lens presbyopia. Sometimes they suffer both myopia and hypermetropia, and then the person needs bifocal lens. In bifocal lens, upper part is concave lens to correct myopia and lower part is convex lens to correct hypermetropia. The concave lens is useful for distant vision and convex lens for near vision. Nowadays, refractive defects can be corrected by using contact lenses or through surgical interventions. Applications of spherical mirrors and lenses. Concave mirror. 1. In torches and headlights, the source of light is placed at the focus to obtain a parallel beam of light. 2. In floodlights, the source of light is placed just beyond the center of curvature. 3. reflecting mirrors for projector lamps. The object is placed at the center of curvature to obtain an image of the same size. 4. To collect heat radiations in solar devices, heat radiations from the sun coming from infinity is brought to focus by concave mirror in its focal plane. 5. Shaving mirror or dentist mirror. It produces an erect, virtual and highly magnified image of an object placed between its pole and focus. 6. Solar furnaces. Large concave mirrors are used to concentrate sunlight to produce heat in solar furnace. Convex lens. 1. Simple microscope. A simple convex lens of small focal length can be used as a simple microscope. A magnification of about 20 times is obtained by simple microscope. Watch repairers, jewelers, etc. use it. 2. Compound microscope. A combination of two convex lenses having short focal lengths are used in compound microscope. It is used to observe bacteria, viruses, cells, microorganisms, etc. 3. Telescopes. A combination of two convex lenses is used in telescopes. An astronomical telescope is used to get detailed view of astronomical bodies like planets, stars, etc. Terrestrial telescope is used to study terrestrial objects. 4. Optical instruments. Convex lenses are used in different optical instruments like camera, projector, spectrometer, etc. 5. Spectacles. Convex lens is used in spectacles to correct defects like hypermetropia.